In this video, we're going to show you how to run a safer theatre list, see exactly who each patient is, spot allergies at a glance, and know when each patient moved through their journey. Your operating list for the day lives here, under Theatre Central, Theatre List. It shows every case at a glance, the time, the patient, the procedure, the surgeon, the theatre, and the anaesthetic. Right beside each patient's name is their unique patient ID. So even with similar names on the list, there is never any doubt about who is who. And this is the important one. Every patient carries a clear allergy status. A grey NKDA badge means no allergies are recorded. A red allergy badge means the patient has known allergies, and hovering over it shows you exactly what they are. The allergy status is worked out for you automatically. Velastria gathers a patient's allergies from their medical history questionnaire, their pre-op questionnaires, and their consultation notes, combines them into one list, and removes any duplicates. So the badge always reflects the full picture, not just what happened to be typed into a single form. All of this comes through on the printed list too, and on the PDF and Excel exports, with the full allergy details spelled out, since you cannot hover over a piece of paper. Now switch to the cards view. Here you can watch each patient move through their journey. Scheduled, admitted, in theatre, recovery, post-op, and discharged. You simply drag a patient's card into the next stage as they progress. Every time you move a patient, the system quietly records the date and time they entered that stage. There is nothing extra to fill in. Open a patient's card and choose Timeline, and you can see exactly when they reached each step and who moved them. And if a move was logged a little late, you can correct it. Click the pencil next to a time, adjust it, and save. That gives you an accurate record of patient flow through theatre, which is exactly what you need when you are reviewing turnaround times and theatre utilisation. So, every patient clearly identified, allergies flagged and gathered for you automatically, on screen and on paper, and an accurate editable timeline of each patient's journey through theatre. A safer list with less to remember.